Right, this is Vigilante on the Spectrum again. Sideways scrolling beat 'em up. Enemies coming from both sides. Which is a bit unfair. If you think it looks a bit like Kung Fu Master, that's because it is basically. It's a rip-off of it. And just like Kung Fu Master on the Spectrum, it's fucking shite. Actually, it's even worse. There you go, look at it. You can do a few punches, you can do a few kicks, but whatever happens, there's a weapon there. Look, gosh, dead before I can get it. It's another go. Hang on. Original names in the high school table. Ma'am, Dad. That's the plot. Skinheads taking Madonna hostage. Now, apparently, you'll be upset about that, so you're coming to kick shit out of them and get her out of jail. Personally, I'll leave the bitch in there, you know, let her rot. Who the fuck is she anyway? She's a bit past it. Do a good being in jail, out of public eye for a change. So there you go, you beat people up. You try to anyway, but then some cunt just shoots with a gun all the time. Well, that's not just cricket, is it? It's not on. You know, it's supposed to be up close personal, not bloody shooting with guns, you pansy. What pissed me off, look at this. Not only does he shoot me, he runs off and I try and kick him. Fucking hell. There's that weapon again, never get it. Oh, yeah. Manhandle from both sides. I mean, that's just not on. Perseverance is the key to these games. Apparently it's quite easy. But you know, at this time of night, when I'm reviewing the game, I'm too tired to piss around. I want fun, I don't want to fuck around bashing buttons for a shit game like this. Look at him, he's a tough guy, this one. Here comes his mate. Look at that, it's like a bloody bitch fight, isn't it? Bitch slapping session, look. Ooh, ooh. Oh dear, here we go. Ooh, dead again. Well, brilliant. 2 out of 10. Crap game.